So in the last video we added our first object, which was our last known position or last point seen marker. And this one, we're going to just build on top of that as if we're at a real search. We're going to keep our last marker, and we are going to add another marker for our staging incident command base, or whatever you like to use as your nomenclature for that. Once again, I could just right click anywhere on the map, new marker, and, sorry, my dogs are being a little loud, and copy and paste in my coordinate, or type it in if I'm reading it from a GPS that's at incident command, or if it's already been supplied to me. I can change my style. I can even use the ICS incident command post icon to signify that, and label it if I want. Now I have my two different markers, and a very important thing to do at this time, doesn't matter if you're using free version or a paid version of SARTopo, would be to save your map. Because if you save your map at this point, as you update it, it will auto-save. Right now, if I were to close out of this browser or my computer were to crash, my work, even though it's very little, that I have so far would be lost. So all I have to do is save the map at this point, and I'll make that separate little video.